Before we begin, this video is general health education, not personal medical advice. Beneath your skin lies a powerful barrier, the stratum corneum per stratum. Made of dead skin cells packed with lipids, fats, it blocks bacteria, viruses, and pollutants while locking in moisture. The shield protects you daily, but habits like frequent hand washing may weaken it over time. The research is still evolving. Your skin isn't just one layer, it's a dynamic defense system. The outermost layer, the stratum corneum, is a mosaic of interlocking dead cells packed with lipids, fats, sealing in moisture and blocking harmful bacteria and pollutants. Beneath it lies the epidermis, where new cells form, and deeper still, the dermis, rich in blood vessels, nerves, and connective tissue. This layered system protects you from infections, irritation, and environmental damage. Your skin isn't just a shield, it's an active factory. Deep in your epidermis, keratinocytes, your skin cells, divide rapidly, pushing upward over about 28 days to form the outermost layer. As they rise, these cells release natural lipids that fill gaps between them, creating a waterproof seal. This constant renewal keeps your skin resilient, protecting you from infections and daily wear without you even noticing. Your skin barrier faces daily threats you might not notice. Hot showers strip away natural oils that keep moisture locked in, while fragrance products or harsh cleansers can weaken this protective seal between cells even if your skin doesn't show irritation yet. Over-the-counter OTC medicines, like pain relievers or allergy meds, are safe when used as directed, H3. But using them improperly, like applying more than recommended or using oral meds on your skin, can cause subtle harm. These small disruptions add up, making your skin more vulnerable without clear warning signs. You might think scrubbing your skin clean keeps it healthy, but too much washing can harm your barrier. Harsh cleansers or hot water strip away natural oils that lock in moisture and protect against irritants. Research suggests this may increase sensitivity, though evidence varies. H3. Gentle cleansing maintains your skin's defenses without stripping them away. If your skin stays dry, itchy, or sensitive even after adjusting your routine, it might need extra support. Persistent redness, eczema flare-ups, or reactions to everyday products could mean your skin barrier is under more stress than usual. H1. While gentle skin care can help, some signs are best discussed with a healthcare provider. They'll offer personalized advice without diagnosing to guide your skin's natural defenses back to health. When your skin barrier needs extra support, you'll find a range of options from drugstore moisturizers to prescription treatments. Over-the-counter, OTC products are regulated by the FDA for safety and effectiveness, like lotions that soothe dryness or creams that calm itchiness. They're designed to help with mild irritation or eczema flare-ups without a prescription. But if your skin feels constantly irritated, red, or sensitive even after trying gentle skincare, it may be time to talk to a healthcare provider. They can guide you through evidence-based strategies tailored to your skin's needs, ensuring you get the right support without diagnosing or prescribing. Your diet can subtly affect your skin barrier. For example, omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon, are linked to healthier skin, but the evidence isn't universal. Some people see benefits, while others don't. Refined sugars or high glycemic foods might trigger inflammation in some, but this varies widely. No single diet works for everyone, and what helps one person's barrier may not help yours. If your skin feels constantly irritated, a healthcare provider can guide you toward evidence-based strategies tailored to your needs without diagnosing or prescribing. Your skin barrier is sensitive to more than just external factors. It also reacts to your mental health. When you experience stress, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can subtly influence inflammation in the skin. This doesn't mean stress causes disease, but it may explain why some people notice their skin feels more reactive or irritated during high-stress periods. Mindfulness practices, like deep breathing or short meditation breaks, are supportive tools to help manage this response without altering your standard care. If your skin sensitivity persists, a healthcare provider can guide you through evidence-based strategies tailored to your needs. Your skin barrier is like a shield that blocks out germs, keeps moisture in, and protects your body. But small daily choices can weaken it. For example, hot water strips away natural oils that help keep your skin healthy. Instead, try lukewarm water to preserve those protective layers. Also, fragrance-free products are gentler and less likely to irritate your skin without sacrificing effectiveness. If your skin still feels sensitive or reactive, a healthcare provider can offer personalized advice based on evidence. This way, you support your barrier with simple, science-backed habits. Your skin barrier is tough, but science still has unanswered questions. For example, we don't fully understand how microplastics, tiny particles found in water or skincare products, might affect your skin over time. This isn't just guesswork. It's an area where more research is needed to determine if there are risks. If you're curious about these topics, a healthcare provider can help you weigh what we know with solid evidence. Your skin barrier is your first line of defense against daily threats like pollution or germs. Small choices like using lukewarm water to preserve natural oils or choosing fragrance-free products can protect it without sacrificing effectiveness. These habits support your skin while keeping care simple and practical. If your skin still reacts, a healthcare provider can offer personalized strategies backed by science. Remember, this is general health education, not personal medical advice. For individual guidance,